Hi everyone, it's Emma here and I am in the kitchen today cooking my baked pineapple with cinnamon yoghurt recipe. So this is a lovely recipe with nice fresh ingredients, and it's also perfect in the lead up to the hay fever season because pineapple is particularly rich in bromelain, which acts as an antihistamine in the body. So let's get started. So first up, I want you to slice your pineapple into long strips and place in a suitable oven dish. Next, I want you to mix your honey, cinnamon and lime juice together and drizzle over your pineapple strips. Next, we're going to bake our pineapple in a preheated oven at 180 degrees C for 15 minutes. While the pineapple's baking, I want you to mix your cinnamon into your yoghurt. Finally, we can serve your pineapple with a dollop of your yoghurt and garnish with a sprinkle of lime zest.